Yo, so look what came in today, the Scuff Envision Pro that I custom built. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the original design looked like right here. All right, we're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna check out how it compares to the Xbox controller I have. And then we're also gonna do some comparisons to the picture of what I designed to what it actually looks like and see if it actually came out as awesome as I hope it is going to. So we're gonna take a first look together. So stay tuned and let's move on to the unboxing. All right, so here it is, the Scuff Envision Pro wireless PC gaming controller. Let's go ahead and get it opened up here. I already took off the tape earlier, so we just got to get it opened up. Let's go ahead and pull this box out of the box and let's look at this. This looks very nice. Very nice box. Change your game. I think I will. Oh, we got it upside down. Let's go ahead and flip it over. This box is premium. Look at this nice box. Got the hexagons on here. I like it. Let's go ahead and get it opened. And bam. It says stop. Download the software first. All right. Let's go ahead and download the software real quick, and then we're going to come right back. All right, so we now have the software installed. Let's go ahead and get this puppy out of the box. Let's go ahead and take this off, and whoo, look at this. Oh, that is a premium feel. It feels heavy. It feels nice. I am loving it. The design looks perfect. Looks exactly as I requested from the build. All right, so hopefully you can see the orange around the thumbsticks as designed, as well as the orange buttons. Let's go ahead and check out what else is in the box, and we'll come back to the controller. All right, here we have the USB receiver. This is supposed to reduce latency. A lot of the problems I was having with the Xbox controller being wireless, it would have a lot of latency. I'd be pushing buttons and nothing would happen. So hopefully this is going to help minimize that. It should be basically like the controller's plugged in. As soon as you push the button, things happen. And let's go ahead and see if there's anything else underneath this plastic part. We got a couple more boxes. Let's go ahead and check them out. I'm sure one of them is going to be the charger most likely. And here we got some extra buttons. I actually believe these are to replace the buttons on the sides and the backs in case you want to just have a more, like if you don't want to use the buttons and you just want to have a more consistent controller feel, you can replace those. I don't think I'll be using those. And then here, I am pretty sure this is going to be the charger. Let's go ahead and open it up. And I am absolutely correct. This is the charger if we can get it out. Yes, and this is absolutely a premium charger. Looks really good. I wonder if this orange is the way it's supposed to come. It probably does because it's the orange box, but I did pick orange in the controller, so maybe they made it just for me. I'd like to think so. All right, let's go ahead and put it back. Let's go ahead and review the controller. The new Scuff controller versus the Xbox controller. Here's my old Xbox controller. And of course, the new Scuff controller next to it. Let's go ahead and do a comparison on the sounds of the buttons and the feel, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so here they are side by side, the new Scuff premium feeling Envision Pro compared to my old just regular Xbox controller. I'll tell you the weight already, the weight on this is just so much heavier and feels so much better. It even this has like such a plasticky just texture, and this is more of a rubbery feel. I don't really know how to describe it. It's like a rubbery kind of texture. It's got really good grip on the back here, and yeah, it just feels really good to hold. And we're gonna do a comparison on these sounds here. So let's go ahead and start with the Scuff. Actually, let's start with the Xbox. So we're gonna do the Xbox, the back triggers. I can't talk, excuse me. We're gonna do the Xbox back triggers. Okay, back trigger on the Scuff. Oh yeah, that recoil is crazy. It's so much better. And look, it has the adjustment on the back here, where if you're playing an FPS game, now it goes really fast. See that? It doesn't go all the way down anymore like this one does, all the way down. This one just clicks like a mouse button. Perfect if you're playing an FPS game with a controller. Put it back the other way. Okay, now let's check out the buttons. Okay, now the buttons on the Scuff. That is so much better. It's just like a tactile switch on a keyboard almost. All right, check out the D-pad. All right, D-pad on the Scuff. Man, that is a huge, amazing difference. If you could feel it, it feels like you're clicking on a keyboard key with really good linear switches. All right, we got the, of course, the thumbsticks. Thumbsticks on the Scuff. About the same as far as sound and feel, but these feel like they have a lot more just pull, and they definitely feel better. I don't really know how to describe it without actually, you haven't actually feel them, but yeah, it just feels way more, it feels tighter. It feels tighter, like it moves smoother. What else do we got? Anything else we need to test out in here? Of course, we can click in the buttons here. Let's go ahead and do these bumpers on top too. All right, same here. Let's click these in. Kind of the same. Still feels better on the recoil. And then the buttons on top. Oh, that is such an improvement. Such an improvement. Man, that is big time. Yeah, I love it. The design looks amazing. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and compare. We'll put it right here. Here's my original design, and then here's the Scuff. What do you think? Did they do a good job on matching? I mean, they did a great job. It's the controller I asked for. It looks exactly like the picture. So whatever you design, you can expect it to come out looking exactly like what you designed. So pretty awesome. Yeah, really happy and excited to try this out. Also, which is nice, of course, these are battery replacements. I have to replace the batteries all the time on this sucker. This one, we're going to be charging it with USB-C, so no more batteries, which is awesome. And we can plug it in to use it if we need to, if it runs out of battery, so that's awesome as well. It has 5 additional programmable buttons down here at the bottom, in case you want to, you can program from anything your computer can do. It can be programmed right here if you want to mute, unmute, I don't know, just whatever you want to program on here. And then, of course, you got your back buttons. And then your side buttons. So many additional button options for different games if you want to set them up. Yeah. So we're going to try this out. I'll come back later with another review of how it actually plays once we start playing games with it. But I'm excited. I am actually very excited. This thing is amazing. And this is not sponsored. I wish it was. But it is not sponsored in case you want to know. All right. That's it. Peace. Love. We out.